Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the command line arguments. Before moving into the topic, you need to know that main function can accept two arguments. So the first argument, it denotes the number of arguments to be passed, and the second argument denotes the array pointers containing all the actual arguments to be passed. So this is the syntax. Main int args s, which contains a number of arguments, and char star argv, the array. So this represents the list of arguments that we are passing. And remember, argv of 0 is always the name of the program. The command line arguments are handled via the main function, and this is done at the time of execution. The arguments are specified after the program name and which are passed to the program during the execution. Okay, so we'll learn about the properties. The arguments are passed to the main function and the control is from outside the program instead of coding all the values within the program. And we have to remember that argv of 0 is always a program name. Argv of 1 is the first argument and argv of argc is the null pointer. Okay. So now we shall learn about the command line arguments. As we learned, the main function has two arguments with it. Hash include stdio.h int main int argc comma char star argv. So in the first step, I'm going to print the program name, which is argv of 0. Right. So now I'm going to check the arguments, count of the arguments. If argc is equal to 2, then I'm going to print the first argument. Okay. Else, if argc is greater than 2, I'm going to print a message. Too many values. Else, I'm going to print it as single value expected. Okay. Now let me add /n . I'm saving the code as cmd argument C source file. Let me execute it. GCC cmd argument.c argue. So I just entered the program name alone. That is the executable file name alone. So it is asking for single value expected. Now, if I provide with any argument, then that particular argument is getting printed there. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the command line arguments. So I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you.